Hi, my name is Alexandra Mueses, and today I want to talk why meditation should be taught in schools and why this is so important. What is meditation? First of all, meditation is a practice in which an individual uses a technique such as mindfulness and focus the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to train attention and awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. What is mindfulness, you might ask? Is the practice of purposely bringing one's attention to the present moment, experience without evaluation, a skill one develops through meditation or other trainings. We have different types of meditation. We have mindful meditation, spiritual, mantra, and transcendental, which is pretty much the same thing, and this is one of the most common ones, especially in the last years. A lot of singers or artists, they started to talk about this type of meditation and what a huge impact had on their lives. We have Buddhist meditation, Hindi, Chinese, Sufi meditation, and as you can see, those are meditations from different cultures and religions, and they are actually pretty similar one to another. Some benefits of the meditation are anxiety management, increased focus, improvement in mental resilience. It can help gaining a new perspective on stressful situations, building skills to manage stress, increasing self-awareness, focusing on the present, reducing negative emotions, increasing imagination and creativity, increasing patience and tolerance. And I will add to this that it helps a lot with ADHD, a problem that is more and more common, especially in kids. Anxiety, depression, and all kinds of mental health issues, and high stress. And we know that school can stress you very much, especially as a kid, not only from the homework that we have and the activities, but some of us have troubles to interact with our peers, for example. Some of us have problems at home, and we are not very self-aware, and we end up bullying other colleagues and so on. Benefits of meditation in schools. I think one of the most important thing, and what research showed us, is that children can learn skills way faster than adults. So having kids learn this skill so early in life, it will change their life and will have a huge impact in their present life, but also in their adult life, and I think that's even most important. They will have better experiences at school, feel less stressed and anxious, and more focused on what they have to do. They will go home and teach their parents to meditate, and their parents are probably from, of course, another generation, and meditation wasn't so talked about maybe, or taken so serious. So I think that is a very important factor as well, changing the world through kids. Teachers will benefit from meditation sessions as well, because spending so much time with children, learning, teaching them, and trying to teach them how to react and to talk with one another and so many other things. I think it's very stressful, and they need meditation as well. Because meditation types, like we saw before, they are so diverse and includes all types of cultures and religions, this can unite children. First of all, they can unite children that are from the same culture and religion, but most importantly, they can unite children and cultures, different cultures, because they will have this common practice together. And those are my references. I really hope I will get to see meditation being implemented in schools, especially because it's a very short session. Like 10 minutes a day can change everything for a child. Thank you so much.